how to make free PayPal money. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of the best apps out there that you can use to make some money online. They are absolutely free to use, they work worldwide, they are already paying so many people, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. Keep watching. More than $1,000 from the first app, $383 from the second app, and you don't even have to do anything for the third app. You just download it on your device and it keeps generating you money month after month. So if you're excited about this, smash the like button. It really helps this channel out. And if you like to see more content like this about making money online, creating passive income, websites and apps that pay you, subscribe to this channel so you can be part of the Warrior family. And if you're looking for the simplest way to make a full-time passive income online, all you have to do is check the first link in the video description and I will share with you all about it. Alright, let's dive into the video. Now, the first app is UserFeel, and we'll be making money by testing other people's websites. UserFeel is a company that offers usability testing to website owners on demand. They train testers on how to record videos that offer helpful feedback to website owners so they can improve their user experience of their websites. UserFeel works in 2 ways, for the website owner and for the tester. And since we want to be making money from this app, we are going to sign up as a tester. Now, as a tester, you create an account at the UserFeel website, download the screen recording app, and perform a qualification test. Qualification tests are typically 20 minutes where you perform similar to real tests. You're given a scenario and tasks, and you're expected to speak your thoughts aloud while completing each task. After you completed the task, you're asked to follow up questions, your test is uploaded, and you'll receive a rating. Testers with the highest rating usually get the best testing opportunities. As a website tester, you make money by responding to requests for testers. When tests are available, UserFeel sends messages to their testers, and the tests are taken to a first-come, first-served basis. After performing the test, UserFeel approves the test, and you can expect payment after 1 week. Now, since the tests are 10 to 20 minutes and you can earn $10 each, you can make up to $60 in 1 hour if you perform 10-minute tests back to back. Now, that's pretty good money just sitting on your couch with your laptop testing websites. Now, all you have to do to get started, you need to click on this button right here, become a tester, and you will land on this site right here. You're going to fill your first name, your last name, your email address. You need to confirm your email address, and it's critical to put in the right address because UserFeel is going to use it to send you the tests. If you put in a wrong email, you will not receive any tests. Put in your country, your year of birth, your password, confirm your password, and your payment method is PayPal. Put in your PayPal email so you can get paid. After that, you need some demographic profile, your gender, your native language, fluently spoken languages, family status, children's status, web experience. You need to fill all that in and check the devices that are available to you for taking the tests. Now, this next form is optional, but I'm recommending completing this one too because it will help the company deliver more tests to you. More tests mean more money. After that, you will accept the terms of use privacy policy, going to check that, and you're going to click on apply for tester. After clicking on that, you will take the qualification tests. Don't be alarmed, the tests are very easy, very simple. They are telling you everything you need to know to perform them. And after you're done with that, you're going to wait for a few minutes and UserFeel will notify you via email that you passed your qualification test and you're ready to test websites and make money. Now, if you're willing to put in some time, let's say 2 hours a day, you can easily make $120 into your PayPal account each and every day with this app. And that's a pretty good side income. And next on our list is MoneyUp, and the name speaks for itself. This is actually one of the best apps out there that can make you money online. It's very simple to use. You complete simple offers and earn money. It's available on App Store and Google Play Store. You can download it on any device. This app works with credits. That means you complete different offers, you earn credits, and then you turn those credits to cash. You complete the tasks. There are many tasks you can complete, and you will earn credits. You can be watching videos, sharing, completing surveys, and many more. Once your credit balance reaches a certain level, you can cash out and the money will be sent directly to your PayPal account. The payouts take around 48 hours and are paid directly to your account. They notify you that the payout is complete and then you can enjoy your money. If you take a little bit of your time every single day, you can make pretty good money with this app. And if you combine it with the other 2 apps in this video, you can make a pretty good side income. MoneyApp is free to download. You can download it on your device. You can start completing tasks, earning credits, and then turning those credits into cash. This is very simple to do, guys. Just download the app and follow the steps and you'll be earning cash in no time. Now with the third app, you don't even have to do anything. You just download it on your device, set it up, let it run, and it will pay you day after day. It's that simple. Let me show you. This is Honeygain. Passive income effortlessly. You even get a $5 gift for opening a new account with this app. This is an easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Once you start using Honeygain, your device acts like view towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. Now this is how it works, guys. They recommend having 10 devices, but of course that is not necessary. You can download it on your phone, on your tablet if you have one, on your laptop. The more devices the better. If you're using 5 GB a month, 8 GB, 20 GB, the more you use, the more money you will make. 8 hours, 20 hours, 24 hours. You can earn $64 a month. That is not a lot of money, but it's free PayPal money. You don't have to spend your time. You don't have to do anything. You just download it on your device and you let it run and you get paid month after month. Now here's exactly what you need to do. First step is setting it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, Mac or Android device with a stable internet connection. Number 2, run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. And finally, get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or Bitcoin. Now remember, guys, this is free to download, this is free to use, this is absolutely free money. Just download it on your device. Obviously, the more devices, the better. Just let it run and collect your money at the end of the month. This is as close as you will get to free PayPal money. Just download this app, let it run, and collect your money at the end of the month. And if you also spend some time with other 2 apps I show you, you will get a pretty good side income in your PayPal account. Of course, this is not a lot of money. This will definitely not make you rich. This is just some extra money to help you out. Now, if you're looking for something consistent, something that can give you financial freedom, something that can give you time freedom, a full-time passive income online, just check the first link in the video description. That is the best, simplest way I know to make money online. Click on that link and I will share with you all about it. That's it for today, guys. Leave a like if you found any value in this video. Subscribe to the channel so you can be part of the Warrior family, and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.